So today we're going to be unboxing my fidgets. It just got here. I already opened it because I forgot that I was making the video. But there's tape anyways. But this is the fidget poppers pack. And it says Zen. How fast can you pop all the fidget poppers? Time yourself. Try to beat your best score. Can you count how many different colors are in the box? Name all the contents on our squishy globe. Hint, there are 7. So, yeah, it's like from the Zen laboratory. So, yeah. Let's go. So, first we got this popsicle poppet that has the alphabet, and once it gets to Z, which is right here, it goes to 6, and then you start over. Let's test it. That's a good poppet. I mean, it does have a bad side, which is the side I'm popping now, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so now let's see if I was right and this is the good side. Yes. This literally just got here. I was in the middle of a movie and my mom said that my fidgets are at the door and I ran and yeah, so this is the first thing. It's a little popsicle with a bite taken out of it. Next is a little dinosaur poppet. I'm not going to pop the whole poppet. I'm just going to pop these ones right here. Ooh. This one's bad side's worse. And the good side ain't as good. But it's okay. Next we have mochis. We got 2 little narwhals. I don't even know what the second one is actually. I don't know. But I know this one is a narwhal. That's super cute. We got a little... I've never seen this before. What? It's like a little grape mochi. Mochi. Is it mochi or mochi? I don't know. My mom loves these. But this one doesn't make as much noise as the one she really likes. Just a little wacky track. I think that's what these are called. Another poppet. We got the classic unicorn poppet. This is the bad side. This is the good side. Still, both are the best. We got tons of things to look at. We got marble mash. We got it in red, yellow, striped blue and white, dark blue, light blue, like turquoise and white. So, yeah. What is this? There's something in here that I don't even know what it is, so I'm going to have to take that out next. Oh! Huh. It didn't come in the same color that I thought it did. That's cool. But we got a little sign. That's so cute! I think these are just like surprise fidgets, kind of like surprise colors. Another narwhal. Oh. I didn't see that. I only saw this side. But on this little softest piece of paper, there are acupressure rings. We got another infinity cube. I really like the colors of this one. This will be probably my favorite infinity cube. Honestly, it's really... it's got to loosen up some because it's kind of stiff right now. Because, I mean, it's been in a box. We got an earth stress ball or bouncy ball. I honestly think it's bouncy ball. Some people on YouTube call it a stress ball. We got a DNA ball. Mine's flat currently, so this is really nice, honestly. Wait. Hold on. I have to open this really quick, guys. So, it's a good DNA ball. It's soft. But the stopper's coming off. why. I'm just gonna put that back in there. I'm gonna lay that over there. Next, we got a blue soccer ball fidget spinner. If you guys didn't notice, on the last one, I have an orange one of these. I thought this was a normal sized. Okay, we got, this one feels more like a stress ball. This one really hard. This one's actually more like soft. It's a little football stress ball. My dad will love this. We got a green and an orange marble mash. We found some more of those. A mini Rubik's Cube. I'm not going to mix it up. Did I already just ruin it? Okay. I thought it was a normal size Rubik's Cube, but it's just like a little mini Rubik's Cube. What? It's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's so cute. It's got a little belly. Oh my gosh. So many. So many. Dude, there's so many of these little spike balls. I've heard that these stick to the walls. Nope. They don't stick to the walls. I'm going to pick that up. Where did it go? Guys, I lost it. I found it. Guess I'm doing this on my bed. Okay, because the TV in my room, I was watching a movie. Okay, we've got a bunch of monkey noodles in very bright colors. What is this? Oh, I have one of these. I have a heart one, but not like this one this complicated. It's like a little puzzle that you can take pieces out, like I just did with that piece, and like put them back in. You're supposed to take all of them out and then like try to recreate that, but yeah, that's not happening. I got one of these, whatever they're called. I got another one of those, whatever these are called. Another monkey noodle. Oh, they're little mini fidget spinners. That's so cool. Wow. Oh, I love these things. Oh, that's so nice. We got a pink marble mash that is a little broken because like the marble only wants to stay over here. I don't know why. I love doing this with marble mashes. So nice. We got some pop tubes. I'm not gonna pop them just yet. We got a pea popper. My mom loves these things because she loves the little faces. What? Does this one not have a face? It doesn't have a face. Oh. The face is so far down. Like, oh no, it just tilted down. Okay. We got another spike ball. 2 acupressure rings. I love these. I'm going to put them on. Guys, do you like my new rings? And I got another little fidget spinner. And then probably my favorite thing in here, the butterfly dimple. Now we're going to be testing out all of these fidgets. First, the butterfly dimple, because I have to. I just must. If I can open it. Oh, okay. This will be my second simple dimple. Are these rare? I think they are. It's got toggle up here. Then the dimple. Wow. I've already tried the marble mashes for you, so and the spike balls and this. Yeah. I cannot believe that this DNA ball is broken now. And the DNA on the inside was it literally just deflated. Now I have 2 flat DNA balls. It was really soft. I was about to say, well, at least it isn't getting out any air and it's full, but this was a ripoff. Cause look, they said that these were full-size fidget spinners also. I literally just got this. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Bye. I'm a little sad.